In this video lesson, I will show you what is Boom 1000 Index Pip Calculator. I will show you how to use the Pip Calculator with opening a new order, and also you will see how to use the Pip value table. Inside this video lesson, I will show you how to enter the entry price, stop loss and take profit of potential order and also calculate the stop loss and the take profit value in US dollar before opening a new order. And also how to change the volume, which is a lot size that will affect the price change of the stop loss and take profit. Here it is, a PDF with a table, which is also a Pip value table with all synthetic indices. But you will see also for this case for Boom 1000 that what is the contract size, what is the minimum, and also what is the maximum volume, which is also a lot size, and also what is the Pip value. You have also other informations like the formula for the Pip value and also an example how to use the Pip calculator and also trading in examples. I will put this one here and the link will be inside the description. Also you will have a link for this Pip calculator so you can open it and use it in your trading. Let me explain what is a Pip calculator. It is here on the top you have a Pip value in US dollar. So when you click calculate, you get the values in US dollars. Below that you have a symbol. Currently you have Boom 1000 index, but you have also other synthetic indices that are available to use. When you click on one of them, the calculator will populate automatically the contract size and also the point value for the daily broker. If you have other broker and also you have other values for the contract size, for the volume and also point value, you can simply change them here by entering the correct values. Below that you have volume, which is set to 1, which is one standard lot, but you can change that to any other values. For the volume, I have shown you that the minimum was 0.2 and the maximum is, just a minute, Boom 1000, the maximum one has 50. So this is the 50 as a maximum lot size for this synthetic index. Now, below that, you have a contract size which is predefined by the broker. So if the broker defines as a 1 contract size, this doesn't change at all during your calculations. Leave it as it is, or if you change that, you will have incorrect values for the Pip and also for the stop loss take profit. Then you have a point value which is defined to 4 decimal points, which means the 1 Pip is equal to 0.0001 price change on the chart. When you go here inside the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, you can see that the current market price is 9565.8130. It is 4 decimal points. So when the price change by 0.0001, which is the smallest decimal point, that will mean that the price has changed by 1 Pip. When you enter these values here, click calculate, you get that Pip is equal to $0. If we would have 4 decimal points here in the final information in US dollar, that will be equal to $0.0001. So below that you have the entry price, stop loss and take profit. Here you can enter these 3 values to calculate what is the stop loss and the take profit difference. This way you can calculate the stop loss take profit in US dollars before opening your order. I will show how to do that. Let's, for example, open a new order with the current market price where we are expecting that the price will go up. So the take profit would be, for example, here. Stop loss would be slightly below these lows. So if the price goes against us, we would close this order with this loss. So how much would the stop loss take profit will be in US dollars? We enter these values here, 9565.9536 as entry price. Stop loss would be 9533.0424 and the take profit would be 9649.3797. Click calculate and this is the price difference for the stop loss and the take profit. Now we can simply copy this value, put it here where the point value field is and click calculate. Oh sorry, I have a wrong value here. Copy it, click calculate. We would get 32.91 US dollars. This means the stop loss would be equal to $32. take profit would be equal to 83.43. So remember that you need to copy these values with dot here inside this field to get here the values for US dollar for the stop loss take profit. So if you're okay with that, you go here inside trading platform, put the volume, in our case it was 1, this is a lot size, and copy paste the stop loss and the take profit. Now we are expecting that the price will go up, so this means we are opening a buy order. Click buy and the new order is open. Now enter the new entry price here inside the Pip Calculator so we get the correct values, 9533.0424. Click calculate. Oh, sorry, I have put the wrong, 9564.4197. Click calculate. This is the entry price. I have put stop loss incorrectly. So we had 31.37. Let's copy paste this one here. So the stop loss will be $31.38. Let's go to the chart, remove these horizontal lines so we can see where the stop loss is, and hover our mouse here and we would get $31.38. You can see this is the same value. Put here for the take profit, 84.96. 84.96. It is the same value. So you can see before opening a new order, you can calculate what stop loss and the take profit would be for the Boom 1000 index. This way you can open order by your risk management strategies so you do not waste too much money on the stop loss, or you can also plan how much money you could make on this trade by setting correct take profit. But for example, what happens if these values are too low for you? You would like to get, for example, 10 times more on this trade. Well, to make that happen, you simply change the volume. If we put number 10 here, click calculate, you will get $849.60. But for example, let's open new order with different volume. The current market price is this one. We are now expecting, for example, the price could drop down and we would put the stop loss here. So we enter these values here, 9562.1267. Stop loss would be 9604.2225 and the take profit would be 9465.6892. Click calculate. We will get a stop loss difference, copy paste this one here, click calculate. So with the volume, which is equal to 10, we would get a stop loss equal to $420. So if this is too much, it is too high for you and you would like, for example, get it close to 100, this means that the volume should be divided by 10, which would be, sorry, by 4, which is 2.5. 2.5. Click calculate. And stop loss would be close to 100. Okay, if you're okay with that, let's check. The profit would be 241. So if you're okay with that, you can open a new order with volume 2.5 and the stop loss would be this one and the take profit would be this one. Now click sell because we are expecting that the price will go down. Okay, this is the new entry price which we need to put here, 95625442. Click calculate and copy stop loss here to get the value in US dollars. It will be 104.20. Let's remove these horizontal lines so we can see the stop loss, 104.20. It is the same value like we have here inside the Boom 1000 Pip Calculator. Now let's calculate take profit, 242.14. It is the same value. You can see that you can use this Pip Calculator to get the correct values for the stop loss and the take profit before opening a new order. You can see how you can change the volume to influence on the value of the stop loss and also take profit. You are influencing also on the value for 1 pip. So you can see how to use this one. If you have any questions how to use this one, or you have, for example, something that you would like me to explain to you in the next video, please leave a comment and I'll try my best to make a new video and answer your question. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!